Hi, I'm here today to talk about an exciting new product that we have called CamView. CamView is a development that we are doing with our partner company LineView. The objective is to create a rugged industrial camera that can be used and installed within a machine.
CamView provides powerful insight into your manufacturing performance. In the event of an equipment stoppage, you'll see exactly what happened. CamView is triggered automatically, so it stores footage before and after the event, ready for review by you, your team and your suppliers.
The machines are being monitored by LineView. So LineView is a bit of production software which many companies around the world are using to monitor their production line and to understand and focus on where are the opportunities. It works by monitoring the machine performance and understanding how the machines interact with each other. The objective is to create a camera that can be used to link to the LineView signals. So, for example, when a machine has a fault, the LineView system can send a trigger to CamView. Now, CamView is continually recording video in the background, so when it receives that trigger, it can extract a video clip of what happened before the fault and what happened just after the fault and send that to LineView. That can also be then sent up onto the cloud using the Internet of Things to create a video clip that can be shared with other people. So we can all better understand what happened before and after the fault and try and understand the scenario to improve the situation.